Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So I just want to show you something that I'm working on, and this was actually a challenge by Jan, Alaskan crafter. Hi Jan. So I'll link her video below where she is challenging everyone, and that includes you, to make one of 4 different patterns, and she links those below that video I'm going to put below, to make a Boggy Creek blanket. Camp Boggy Creek. I'm not starting over. And so Camp Boggy Creek is, if you haven't heard of it, it's a camp in Florida where sick children go, and I think it's for 1 week, children with the same illness get to go to that camp and have fun and talk to one another, you know, about what's going on in their lives, and it's really, really cool. And Nancy at She's Got Yarn Too, Nancy is heading up a blanket drive. She did this last year as well, along with Lynette from Charmed Grammy and Billy, the Crafty Floridian. Everybody will be linked below. And we get to make blankets for the kids, and we get to take them home after. Yeah, so cool, right? So the pattern I chose was a Bag-A-Day pattern. It's called, what did she call it? Stained glass blanket, I think. So I'm using her pattern that she has up. She's had it up for a little while, I think. But yeah, so, you know, it looks like stained glass, but with mine, well, kind of still looks like stained glass, I guess. Let's find the front of it. So this is it. I decided to, like some are using, I've seen some others blankets that they're making, and they're using really colorful yarn, and I decided I'm going to go with blues, and I think it looks pretty cool, right? Yeah, so you can use any pattern you want for your blanket to send to Nancy at She's Got Yarn Too for the kids. And so I'll tell you what yarn I'm using, and some of this yarn was from Nancy herself. Okay, so let's talk about the one from Nancy. She sent me some happy mail with this yarn in it right here. Okay, so that is this beautiful yarn right here. Okay. It is, I love this yarn. Okay. It is a Hobby Lobby brand. I'm in Canada, we don't have Hobby Lobby. I wish they would come here. But anyway, I love this yarn. It's a medium 4 weight, 100% acrylic. This color is called, it has a neat name, Make Noise for Turquoise. And it's a gorgeous yarn. It is so nice to work with. Oh, so beautiful to work with. So that's the one I'm on my, I just started the second ball, and I had 3 altogether, but I won't need them all. So again, that's this blue in here. And now for this blue that's around the edges at the front and back. Yeah, I'm on the front. Okay, so this navy blue, it's got sparklies. Hope you can see the sparklies. That yarn was a gift from Sabrina Melodies. Now she gave me, okay, this is, I think this is the second one I'm using. And, no, one moment. Okay, Sabrina gifted me this World of Yarn Malaga glitter. And this is from Hobie Yarns. And this is a medium 4 weight. It is 98% acrylic and 2% polyester. this color. Did I have a color name? Color 06. So look at the sparkles in there. I thought that would be fun for the kids. And she gave me 5. Thank you, Sabrina. And thank you, Nancy, for the other yarn, for this one. So she gave me 5, and this is the second, this is the second one. That's what I've left right now. So I'm going to have to dig into a third one. And then the other yarn, this one, which I thought looked really cool, it didn't have a label, and this is one I got from Sarah at Sarah's Little Corner of the Crochet World. Hi, Sarah. And hi, Sabrina. I don't know if I said hi. Oh my goodness. Anyway, it didn't have a label, and Sarah, I got 5 bags of yarn from Sarah for $10. That's all she charged me. And I have the videos up on my channel. You must look at them if you haven't. Okay, one of my beautiful subscribers, Kathleen, let me know that this yarn is a Red Heart Comfort, 100% acrylic, and looks like a 4-weight. So the big ball that I got from Sarah, I caked it up into 3 cakes. So I have this much left, or I used 1 cake. I think this was the biggest cake out of all 3 that I caked a big ball into. But yeah, so I just love how this is working out. Now we need to have a certain size of blanket for the kids. I think it's somewhere between, oh boy, you gotta check Nancy's channel, 40 inches wide by, or is it 35 to 40, and then, not sure, I gotta check myself. I think this one right now is 40 inches wide, and I'm still working on the length of it. So I love the way it looks. It is such a neat stitch, and it is so easy. It is so easy. Okay, so I had actually started off with a 6mm hook for this, and I found that it was making too stiff of a fabric. The hook was too small for this, as far as I was concerned. I mean, if you want a really stiff fabric, then yeah, a 6mm would be fine. But I actually decided, okay, I'm going to jump up to an 8mm. I couldn't find my 8mm, so I did find my 9mm. So yes, can you see that? It's probably glaring in your eyeballs. Anyway, this is a 9mm, and so it's nice and flowy, and all this is a 4-weight yarn, so yeah, it's flowy. Can you see it being flowy? Yeah, you know, so I think this is going to be so comfy and cozy to snuggle under for one of those beautiful kids. Yes. So thank you for the challenge there, Jen. I have a blanket ready for them to send off to Nancy, and I haven't sent it yet. And then when I saw Jen's challenge, I thought, well, I'm just gonna take up that challenge and make one with one of the patterns that she had linked, or one of the tutorials. So I chose Crystal at Bag a Day. So yeah, there we go. So now I have 2 blankets to send. How exciting. Do you want to see my other one? I did show it before, but I'll show it again. Okay, so this is the other one I had made. I showed it in a video. I talked about the yarn. I'll link that video below. But, here's the front. So I made this. I just made it up as I went along. But I do have a tutorial for this stitch for a blanket, so I'll connect that as well. I can't remember what hook I used for this, but I just had to dig out the label here. It was this color here is called Rosy Red. It's more of a coral color to me. Maybe Rosy Red is a coral, I don't know. But it's a Karen baby cake. And these are 82 acrylic, 18 nylon. It's a medium 4. To me it seemed more like a 3. But I talk more in the video, and I'll connect that video below. And I think the white I used is this baby from, this is from Hirschner's. This one's actually a 3 weight. And these are really nice. You get like 5 of them in a bag for, I think it's around $8. That's US. We pay a little more in Canada, but it's 100% acrylic. And it's really soft. It's great. It is beautiful yarn to work with. So yeah, so that's the other blanket for Boggy Creek. So I'm excited. I already washed this one, and I just had it in a bag, and I'm going to stick it back in the bag right away. And I'm going to be washing this other one too. But thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you all take up the challenge. Yeah, so thank you, Jen, for the challenge. Thank you, everyone, for, all this yarn and everything. You guys bless me so, so much. All right, I'll see you all again soon. Oh, I'm working on, I'm going to put this in the bag. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm working on a tutorial for this little cardi, and you'll be able to make it as long as you want it. And it has short sleeves, but you'll be able to make long sleeves. So yeah, I have that on the go. But the tutorial itself is being done in pink. All right, so that's what I'm working on, and I'm gonna try to get that done as soon as I can. I don't want to rush, because I want it to be a good tutorial, right? All right, guys. So I have so many links to put below this video, but thank you so much for watching, and I love you all so, so much. All right, have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon.